best bronzers of 2022. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, again, it is the COCO Awards. It is that time of year. So, best bronzers of 2022. That's where we're at. I've done a video before on my top favorite bronzers. You're gonna see some repeats because if it's a holy grail, it's a holy grail. Doesn't matter what the year is. Let's start out with something new that I got that I actually really love. This is from House Labs. This is Power Sculpt Velvet Bronzer, medium level 4. This has like a soft feeling to it. Nice mirror, nice packaging, but this is what the bronzer looks like. And when I got it, I was kind of like, oh, I don't know how great this is gonna look on me, but it actually looks stunning. I originally bought it just because I wanted something from Lady Gaga. I'm not gonna lie. I was never like a music fan of hers really, but her being on American Horror Story got me like, yes, queen, you are literally the queen of life to me. Just everything about it. I'll swatch this for you. It feels so smooth. It looks so pretty on my skin. I always say my hands are darker so you can't really see it, but on my face, it looks amazing. Let me try to swatch it here where I'm more white. Not white, but I'm more white. See? Why is my arm so, well, obviously I'm always wearing long sleeve shirts, so that's why my arm is significantly lighter than my hands, but look how beautiful that is. Okay, then we'll look at the one that Coco has. This has been a favorite of mine. Affordable. I've loved this forever. This is the Butter Bronzer. I think I ordered this off of Amazon actually. This is, I can't read without my glasses on. Okay, this is in the shade Deep Bronzer. It's the Butter Bronzer Mirror. This is well loved from me. It also, I think it came with a brush or something in here and then a mirror. Never used the brush. These I am obsessed with. It gives this beautiful glow to it. My glasses are dirty. Gives a beautiful glow to the skin, and I think next year when we do the COCO Awards, you'll probably see that one again. I don't think I'll find another drugstore bronzer that I love more than that. If there's one out there, let me know in the comments, but I don't think I will. Next we have the Kosas, and this one I have in Deep. This bronzer makes me look like I just left Hawaii.
It does?
It does. So we are currently in Virginia and it is cold here. We don't have a lot of sun. This will make you look like you are not in freezing cold Virginia, okay? This will make you look sun-kissed. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It is one of my favorites. It will always be. It has this almost shimmer to it. It is literally, when I think of I want a sun-kissed bronzer, this is 100% what I think and I would recommend to anyone. Maybe not this shade if you're lighter than me, but this bronzer, 100%. COCO Awards, yes. Now, a lot of people say Charlotte Tilbury is overpriced and the quality is not where it should be for its price point. They may be right. I haven't tried a ton of things from her. Lipsticks, yes. Bronzers, yes. This is a holy grail. I use it regularly. It's not cheap. I think this was, I don't know how much it was, 50 bucks maybe. I have it in medium, I think. No, tan 3.
You just do it on TikTok.
I did it on TikTok?
Yeah, I saw you.
Did I? I don't think I did. What did I do on TikTok?
You did that, like the second one? It was...
Oh, that wasn't TikTok. That was a YouTube short, but they get shorts confused. So yes, I did do a video, a short, comparing this one and the new bronzer that she came out with because I got the same shade. They're significantly different shades. But no, I use this one regularly and have for a very long time, and I'm nowhere near hitting pan. The other thing I love about this is you can just buy a refill. You don't have to repurchase the whole compact and you save yourself some money. I haven't even had to do that yet. But when I want like glam.
My hair looked very nice.
But when I want glam, like red carpet glam, when it's like, you know, simple, but boom, I'm here, that is the bronzer I use. And generally that's kind of the look that I want to have, but this is the one. So it is this one up here. I'll try to link the short that I did comparing the two because vast, like major, humongous, crazy difference between their tan shades for the different ones. Want me to do it now? I'll get it now. I'll just get it now for you. So this is the other one, and it's the Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer. Like I said, major difference in the shade. I went with tan on this one because I knew I had tan on this one. I didn't realize when I got home that there was such a major difference, and I thought, for me, I can go with a significantly darker bronzer, as you'll see when I show you the cream sticks I have, and they still will look really good, but I don't know if that's necessarily the case for everyone. And the first time I tried this, I did think that it looked kind of muddy on me. The second time I tried it, I thought it looked nice. I just swirled it just like this, and you get a lot of product. This is pigmented.
These are the D's.
That's them. I didn't put this on the COCO Awards because I haven't used it enough to know whether or not I really like it, or whether or not I like it. I haven't used it enough to know whether or not it deserves to be here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrushed. This is the new one she just came out with. Do you see the difference there? That's a major difference. This, I love, love, love. The Uma Double Take Stick. What is this called? It is, yeah, Double Take. So this side, you have a highlighter, and the highlighter is nice. I do like the highlighter, but it is this, and you can tell mine is a little dirty. I use this a lot. I love this for contouring, even just for bronzing. This stick, I love. We'll do it up here. It's dark. So that's why this works for me too. I just, you know, I have to blend a lot, but I love this. It's affordable. I've gotten mine, all of the ones that I've gotten, I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. When I see them there, I get them just so I have the backup. I don't know how much more I have left of this. Oh, I actually have a good bit. Oh no, this is it. This is all I have left. I think I have another stick somewhere though. And then another option for a contour or bronzing stick is the Makeup by Mario. I got medium
Mama,
dark.
look ruined.
No, it's not ruined. It's just loved. This is medium dark from the Makeup by Mario collection. It has a brush. I don't
I
know.
have golden too.
Yeah, and every time I use this, I always end up pulling that end. I have bronzer on my hand. Okay, so this is this one. This one cost a lot more. I don't remember how much this cost, but I know it cost a lot more. It's a little bit of a lighter shade, but they blend really well. And like I said, if you want a more affordable option, but you want something that's really good, I would go with the Uma stick, especially if you can find it at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And you get the highlighter with it, which is nice. I'll swatch the highlighter really quick because it's gorgeous too. There. It has this gold. It's so pretty. It blends so nicely. I love this stick. And it's great for traveling too. And like I said, I do like the Charlotte Tilbury one. The first time I felt like it was muddy. The second time I used it, I was like, okay, I'm not mad at this. It's not a cheap one. I'll give you that. And they say there's all this science behind it. I don't know that that's true. We'll see next year when we do the COCO Awards for 2023 whether or not this makes the list. But as of right now, I haven't played with it enough to say this is worthy of winning the COCO Awards. So that is the 2022 Bronzer COCO Awards edition. I would definitely recommend all of them. I have other bronzers that I love, but none that I just continuously gravitate towards like I do these. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share.
Click the bell. Oh, don't go thing. Bye.
Good job, Coco.
I didn't let it on the pan.
Yeah.
Your glasses on.
Oh, thanks. Whoa.
Got it.
Thanks.